In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cinematic AI videos with Runway Gen 3. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to write a great prompt so your video looks polished, intentional, and cinematic. Start in your workspace and look to the left sidebar. Find the section labeled Tool and click on Apps. This brings up the creative tools you'll use for video generation. At the top of that view, select Video. You're now in the area designed specifically for building motion content, so everything you need will be right in front of you. Next, look toward the bottom of the interface and choose your video model. Select Gen 3. This is the engine that turns your ideas into moving images, so picking Gen 3 ensures you're using the latest cinematic capabilities. If you don't see it immediately, just scan the bottom panel carefully until Gen 3 appears. Now, focus on the text field. This is where your description tells the model exactly what to create. Be specific and visual. Imagine you're directing a scene. Describe the subject, the setting, the time of day, and the mood. Explain motion and camera behavior with phrases like slow push-in, sweeping drone shot, or handheld close-up. Mention lighting and color, such as golden hour backlight, high contrast noir shadows, or warm cinematic grade. If pacing matters, say it. Calm, lingering movement, or fast, kinetic tracking. Keep your sentences clear and purposeful. Strong verbs and concrete nouns help the model understand you. If you want inspiration or a starting point, click on Presets. You'll see curated examples that demonstrate different looks and movements. Choose one that's close to your vision, then adapt its language to your idea by swapping the setting, subject, and mood. Presets are great for learning phrasing that works well while still keeping your creative intent front and center. When your description feels right and you've chosen any preset that helps, click Generate. The system will process your request and assemble the clip based on your guidance. Give it a moment to render. As it finishes, review the result and really look for how your words translated into motion, the lighting, the camera feel, and the overall tone. Clear, focused prompts usually produce the most cinematic outcomes. And that's all. You clicked Apps under Tool, selected Video, chose the Gen 3 model, described your scene with care, explored presets for guidance, and hit Generate. With that simple flow and a well-crafted description, you can produce compelling, cinematic AI videos in minutes.